Welcome. I am Donald Rainville, President of Advanced Auxiliary Equipment. We supply innovative solutions for injection molders. Today we're going to talk about selecting the right compressed air loader. Why buy a compressed air loader? Well, if you're running under 200 pounds an hour, press side, a compressed air loader is always a good choice. Compressed air loaders are extremely reliable. They have no moving parts, no electric motor, and no flapper-style material valve. This means that they are much less likely to cause you problems during normal operation. Compressed air loaders are extremely quiet. They have no loud vacuum motor. In fact, most people cannot even hear them run. Compressed air loaders are extremely energy efficient. They load at very high rates, over 1,000 pounds an hour. They use less than 1 CFM per pound of material per hour. So if you're only loading 50 to 200 pounds an hour, it hardly runs at all. Most times we are unloading grinders. We can unload the average grinder in less than 4 minutes an hour. In 1976, I filed the first patent using a Venturian compressed air to load material into a cyclone over a hopper. After that, a man by the name of Pete May came up with the idea of putting a sight glass under the cyclone and using a capacitance switch to sense the material. He then formed a company called Autoload, which is still very prevalent in our industry today. In fact, I think Autoload is a great product. That's why I bought the company as president of Unidyne. Today, we offer many products that solve the problems that we found that we had with the Autoload and other compressed air loaders. So we have a full line of products to meet every possible need. In the lower left you see our HL series. That's an economy loader. It's primarily used to load small machines and to load color onto blenders. The CA3 series is similar to Autoload, and we offer them in a full range of sizes. The CA6 is a premium compressed air loader, and it's the only compressed air loader that offers self-cleaning filters and a PLC control for controlling filter cleaning and to material proportioning. And finally, we have the CADD. The CADD actually removes fines, and it's designed to work with polycarbonate, acrylic, PVC, and any other material where fines inhibits the processing. Our HL series loaders are our lowest cost loader. They normally are used for low throughputs under 100 pounds an hour, typically installed on blenders for adding additives like color, slip agents, that type of thing. And it's also used on small machines. The options are you can even get it with no control. So if you turn the compressed air on, it loads. You turn it off, it doesn't. So if you have a bin that you only load periodically, you don't even need to buy the controls with it. And of course you can get the no load alarm, which we recommend for all of our loaders, which rings an alarm instantly if you don't get material. Let's say your gaylord goes empty or you have some other disruption in your material flow. These are our CA3 series loaders. They are similar in function to Autoload and many other manufacturers of pneumatic conveying equipment. On the left you see our CA3S Shorty. That's designed for small machines, typically applied under 75 tons. And it's used where you may have a robot or some interference above, or you just want a small loader on your machine. Then to the right of that we have our 3-inch version. They all have the full 3-inch body for separating fines and eliminating dust buildup on the filters. The 3-inch version is typically used on dryers and larger machines. You can also get the larger version in the 2-inch sight glass, and then on the right you see the 2-material version. We don't sell many of those because most of our customers prefer the PLC digital control of the proportioning that we offer in our CA6. Our CA6 loaders are premium loaders. They offer features that no other manufacturer can offer. We can offer filters that we can guarantee that you'll never have to clean. We offer receivers and wear plates, so if you're running abrasive materials, we can give you a 10-year warranty on the receiver and all the metal parts. And they come with a PLC control so that you can digitally set your set points. On the lower left-hand side, you can see our Shorty model. Again, that's designed for smaller machines. It has a 2-inch sight glass, but it still has a self-cleaning filter And all of these units are specifically designed for clean rooms where you can vent the exhaust out of the room. In the middle, you see our CA61, which is a single material loader, typically used on large machines where you have shots of pound or more. And so you can see there's lots of room in there for it to load material in until you call for the next load. And then on the right, you see our CA62. That's a 2-material loader where you can digitally proportion between virgin and regrind, and you can even blend. The CA6 series loader comes standard with a PLC, and as you can see on the right, you don't need to use codes to program it. You just tell it you want to run, in this case, 4 seconds virgin and running 0 regrind. But you can change that to any proportion you want, and then you can repeat it 2 years later if you want to run the same job. We're the only company that offers a PLC control, and we also use oversized solenoid valves for all our applications for reliability. Our CA6 series loaders also come with a self-cleaning cartridge filter, but you can upgrade it at minimal cost to a self-cleaning bag filter. With the bag filter, we can guarantee that you will never have to clean the filter until you change materials or wear out the bag over months and months. If you look in the center there, you can see that the lid is actually machined from over a 1/4-inch stainless steel plate. This is literally the highest quality product you can buy, and the gaskets are actually injection molded between the two surfaces and permanently glued in place. Now the CA6 series can also blend right in the sight glass. This is awesome if you're running color that's very critical or if you're running regrind. As you can see here, you can load in the white material, then the black, and then watch it mix. Let's take a look at that. Now let's watch the blending in action. As you can see, we loaded white material and then black. Watch how quickly it blends and how evenly it blends right in the sight glass over the machine throat. This is important if you're loading from a blender or if you've pre-blended virgin material with color and you want to make sure that you get excellent color dispersion, particularly if you're running difficult colors like pinks and yellows with stringent quality specifications. Many customers also use this with our proportioning loaders where they mix the regrind and the virgin material. They find that they get fewer short shots and less flash because of the homogeneous mixing and the flow through the manifold of the molds. We also have customers that use this when they have difficult materials that tend to bridge or create static electricity. With this system, we fluidize the material right over the machine throat and ensure good material flow. The CADD series loaders actually remove fines from the material before processing. Many customers asked us to develop this because they were having problems with black spots, gels, and burning when they were running acrylics, polycarbonate, PVC, and other materials. As you can see, the air and the material flow in the top of this unit through a perforated tube, and the fines pass through that tube into the bag. And there's many options from the outlet of this loader. You can start with this bag, then we have a large bag. We can put a Venturi on it to give it extra power if the fines are difficult to separate. You can even put a shop vac on it so that it removes as many fines as possible. This is a great solution if fines are limiting your ability to process your material. We are the only manufacturer that offers a no-load alarm for compressed air loaders. What it does, it gives you an alarm within 10 seconds if the loader calls for material and does not receive it. This means that if your Gaylord runs empty or you lose your material flow for any reason, you're going to get a 2-tone alarm buzzer telling you to take action to solve that problem. Our customers tell us that they get most of their mold damage when they're restarting or starting a job. Just think how much money you can save in downtime in less damage to your mold. I recommend this option. We offer it not only for our loaders, but as retrofits to our competitors. I strongly recommend that you consider this when you purchase a loader. Our clamp-on gravimetric color feeders actually can clamp right onto our standard loaders. Any of our 3-inch models can accept one. And that means that you can buy a gravimetric color feeder and just move it to the machine that you need it. And if you have 20 machines, you don't need to buy 20 color feeders anymore. You can just buy the maximum number that you would run at any given time and move it to where you need it. It's easy to clean. It's part of our clamp-on system, and it uses the same high-quality stainless steel fittings that we use for our loaders. All of our loaders are food-grade polished stainless steel. They're polished inside and out. They're virtually self-cleaning. They are extremely heavy-duty. We can guarantee them for 10 years in terms of wear and resistance. The CA6 are clean room ready. They're Class 3A ISO 2852 standard. No other manufacturer can make that claim. The quality of our metalwork is far superior to any other loaders available in the market today. Our customers literally call us and tell us that they're amazed when they get their first loader. We offer many different Venturi wands for different applications. The one you see here has a Venturi port at the bottom and one at the top. You can also see there's a vent so that conveying air can find its way down to the bottom of the Venturi to allow conveying at the bottom of a Gaylord. This unit, you put it in a Gaylord, it can just suck right down to the bottom and sit there until the Gaylord is empty. We're one of the few people, if anyone, that provides a vent for air for conveying to get down to the bottom. Most other Venturis, if they go more than 6 inches deep in a Gaylord, they stop loading. It's also extremely abrasive resistant because it's 100% stainless steel. We also offer 8-port Venturis that are used for difficult materials, heavy materials, or materials with a lot of dust. And as you can see, we offer several different options. You can have a standard wand with the 8-port Venturi. You can add a fluidizer that injects compressed air at the bottom to break away any bridging and fluidized material that doesn't want to flow. And you can even add a welded vibrator to the wand that will vibrate the wand to help with bridging if necessary. We are one of the few companies that offer a wide variety of sight glasses for different applications. We offer a 2-inch sight glass for small machines. Most of the time we use a 3-inch sight glass that we recommend basically for all machines. Then we have a 4x7-inch sight glass and a 6x20-inch sight glass for large machines if you want to accumulate a lot of material above the machine to match your application. Our clamp-on hose fittings with replaceable wear plates offer many features. One, you can clamp them on the machine so that you don't have to fight the hose every single time you want to have access to your receiver. With other units, those hoses are difficult to put on. You've got to put the clamps on. And with this, you can just unclamp our quick clamp, take it off, do whatever you need to do for maintenance, put it back on without any difficulty at all. The wear plate is also unique. As you can see, the material comes in and it hits the wear plate. As soon as the material hits the wear plate, it builds up on the wear plate. And the material behind it hits the material in front of it. So the wear plate itself gets very little wear. In 5 years, we have never replaced a single wear plate or seen any wear in any of our receivers at any time. And that's interesting considering that many of our customers have bought our products because of the problems they have wearing holes into the receivers that they had from other manufacturers. We can even offer a 10-year warranty on the wear plate, the hose connection, and the receiver. We offer many unique features with our CA series loaders. As you can see here, this is our dry air conveying adapter. It allows you to convey from your dryer without any wet ambient air. All we use is the compressed air, and typically that's going to be around +10 to +20 if you have a standard refrigerant dryer on your compressed air source. So we're going to convey with dry air, and then the air it arrives with in the sight glass is dry, and it will stay dry for a long time. It's isolated from the wet ambient air, and particularly in the summer. Our customers love this product. Many people have bought it in a panic in the summertime, and their problems with bubbles and splay all went away simply by adding our dry air conveying adapter. We definitely recommend this. This is a unique product. It's been out for a long time and our customers love it. This is our drying hopper adapter. It has many unique features. What it does is supply a constant flow of material into the center of the hopper. As you can see in this drawing, a standard loader has a flapper that's on an angle. It can be down as far as 15 inches from the lid, greatly reducing the capacity of your hopper. And if you use the same loader on a 100-pound hopper that you would use on a 400-pound hopper, think of the difference that could make. You could lose 20–30% of your drying capacity just by the loader that you use on the lid. The other advantage is because it feeds constantly and the material never free flows, it can virtually eliminate fines carryover to your filter and greatly reduce the maintenance in filter cleaning. If you're going to put a compressed air loader on a dryer, we strongly recommend this option. This comparison table shows that there are many important features that only AAE offers with our compressed air loaders. Please go to our website and take a look at this and watch the informative videos that we have on each product. I think you're going to be amazed how many things we can offer to solve your problems that our competitors just don't have. And our quality speaks for itself. It is simply amazing. Thank you for joining us in watching this video selecting the right compressed air loader. We hope that we've given you enough information to make an informed decision on your next purchase. If you have any questions, please give us a call or visit our website. Have a great day.